for both corner pockets dito si Galve.
Kamomot, ang daming highlight shots kagabi,
Yes,
ha?
oo. But they really didn't translate into wins, Noel. Dalawa lang ang
Oo.
naipanalo kagabi dito.
But this should be elementary. Kanina yung dalawang bata. Dapat gaya mo rin yung boses ni AJ. Well, it's safe to say.
Pwede na rin yan.
Okay.
Another thing that adds layers to these games, itong construction company ng
Oo.
Taguig Stallions.
Ayun na nga,
Pakpak na sa gilid.
Minsan sasabayan pa yung pagbitiw, eh.
Yes.
Dati may rule pa tayo. Pag pa-shooting motion na, tigilan na yung sharking. But now, even in the shooting motion, you can do the sharking, even encourage your fans to do it. Yan,
Yeah.
tatahimik na bigla. Kasi obvious na yung 9-ball para dito kay Jonald Galve. Run out after a dry or after a scratch on the break.